These Sprunkies sure take sandbox time seriously. I know how it looks, but I still think there's buried treasure here. Oren, what are you doing here? I see. Everyone's buried in the wrong plot. Either that or the tombstones got mixed up. Don't worry, these aren't really our Sprunky friends. Squeeze them to see what color's inside. You know, a lot of people have red inside them. Next, what's your favorite flavor of lemonade? Make it pink. Made from pink lemons, I think. Ratty, green or blue? Yeah, green goes great with red. Orange, purple or red? Makes sense. We already did red. Last but not least, sky, pink or orange. Just like the juice. Guess what? It's Mother's Day here at Sprunky Land. So we're gonna need some mothers in here. Ooh, our mommy and me's got some new faces. And I'm not just talking about the new babies. Uh-oh, it looks like things are about to get spooky. The mommies have been kidnapped. Quick, babies, let's get out of here. Baby Aqua and Baby Creamy always keep cool. Now, where have we seen this straw before? Poor Mama Aqua, she melted! Oh, what a world! Always said she was a tall drink of water. Don't worry, we'll get you a new body. Remember, it's always important to hydrate. That takes care of that. But where's Mama Creamy? Strawberry swirl? Uh-oh, but it's okay. Aqua will show you how to stay cool. Quick, before she's all milkshake! Just breathe and embrace the cool. Here, I think you need this cone more than we do. Who needs a desert when your love keeps you warm? Looks like baby Maruna found a maze. I think this will help her get the point. Hurry, Wyram is right on your tail. We found your mama, but something's off. For starters, this place is a mess. Let's clean things up. Remember, take care of nature and it'll take care of you. Comes in handy when the floor really is lava. Mama Maruna's not feeling so good. Why don't we take a quick peek inside? Uh-oh, another Wyram. Hold on a second. Here's an idea. Let's take a peek inside you. Why don't we give you a happy heart? Aw, now that's a cute little family. Well, we found your mom garden. Too bad she's 6 feet under. Uh-oh, I don't like the look of that flower. Now who says it's plants versus zombies? By the looks of it, they've joined forces. I can't look. Is there a gardener in the house? You know, some weed killer could work wonders. A little pruning won't hurt either. let's put some antiseptic on those wounds. For our next step, why don't you take a nap? Time for a little brain surgery. What? It's not rocket science. A little cacti will perk things up. Just remove the thorns. Sand to size. Or where is a beret? Mary, Mary, how does your garden grow? Open your eyes. Now let's get out of here. Look, 3 babies for the price of 1. There's a red key under cloud number 2. Switch the pipes to bring it to Telly. Next is a blue key. This one goes to Sky. The last one's orange, but it'll need to make a quick stop. See? Good things come to those who wait. Now all the babies have their keys. Quick, let's find what they unlock. Match each key to the same color lock. Now we just need to peel off all of the gray. It's Mama Sky, just a little drowsy. Come on, Oren, it looks like you're next. Well, that put a smile on her face. Last but not least, Telly's got the call. Do you think Mama Telly's underneath? No, it's Pinky! Where can your mom be? Wait, it takes all kinds to make a family. And there's nothing tomato juice can't fix. Besides, think of all you'll save on blush and lipstick. Now we just need to make a few adjustments. She's adopted a whole new look, and that's not all. Baby Aurelius on an underwater adventure. Well, that was quick. Just kidding. She's found her mama. She's just in need of a little haircut. Don't worry, we've got a spare eye. And we'll get rid of that pesky crab. Anyone else in the mood for a clam bake? Time for a new brain. And a clear mind. Still, nothing wrong with a little color. And more importantly, just look at how squishy it is. What do you think we'll find in here? No, that skeleton's not made of wood. Ooh, buried treasure. Too bad there's no way out. Wait a minute, a third thing. Maybe it can help. A feather? Careful, it makes you sneezy. Is it me, or is this starting to sound familiar? Well, if it worked for Pinocchio, great success! Kiki, Booba, you gotta pick a door. It's doughy. Don't worry, he's still got the other arm. Next up, it's Pianoosaurus. Don't worry, this guy just needs a little tuning up. Oh, guess you get to share a mom. I wonder if that makes them siblings. Still, maybe we can pull them apart. Oh, I see. The real mamas were inside. Still, they still look a little mixed up. Or at least a little too over-accessorized. Aw, now talk about a family reunion. Ooh, the boogeyman's got competition. But Semihemy's prepared. She's got a paperclip. We just need to give it a few twists and turns. But it could use something. Grab that cube. Cut it down to size, or shape. A cylinder, that is. Now we can roll on a fresh coat of paint. Let's start with a fresh shade of pink. But Semihemy's a living rainbow. Add some blue. Next up, I'm thinking purple for those pigtails. Just remember, it's what's inside that counts. Here, you're not you when you're hungry. Ah, much better. Now that's what I call a happy ending. Look, there's slime and tiny sprunkies inside. We can make Derple and Sky pop-ups. These guys sure have a spring in their step. And they all have a part in our new keyboard. Typing class has never been so fun. I wonder what Ratty's got for us. Red's the color of love after all. Ooh, pick a number. Any number. Your prize? It's a Ratty keychain. And it looks like he's in good company. Ratty and Vinaria go together. It's just magnetic. Okay, let's see who else is here. Simon. And he's ready to rock and roll. Let's party. Aqua's got some custom bandages for us. Ooh, it's good to keep these guys on hand. Seriously, and they're great for foreheads too. The two that started it all, Pinky and Oren. Why don't we start with Pinky? The shiny streamers are a nice touch. Ooh, were you expecting us, Pinky? Well, it looks like she's expecting something. Oh, it's a Simon. Hold on, it looks like triplets. Did I say triplets? Make that sextuplets. Ooh, these are a bouncing bunch of babies. But I'm sure we can help them rest up. Hey, what's that? The sands of time? Oh, they grow up so fast, don't they? If only we could keep time in a bottle! But seriously, at this rate, they'll be older than Pinky. Speaking of which, where is she? I mean, she hasn't seen her kids in years. These sextuplets are septuagenarians. Now, why don't we check out Oren? Wow, look at all these pom-pom balls. Whatever's inside is all to pieces. I guess there's some assembly required. First, take this little bag and draw on this piece of paper. Make a mosaic and add to the bag. Next, add some black paint and seal it up. Save a little space to show your true colors. Next up, add that orange-style border. This project is really coming together. Don't forget Oren's headphones. Add the strap, and we'll have a new watch. Oh, good. It fits right on your arm. And you can make art right on your wrist. And that's not all. Open it up for a secret sketchbook. You can draw whatever your heart desires. Now, why don't we meet up with Maruna and Wyram? Ooh, it's like a bunch of maroon eggs. Maruna always shares a bit of herself. And look, she's a mini flip phone. Oh, great reception. But your friends are all here. Oh, they really like to go together, don't they? Next up, we should check out Wyram. It's a secret message. Ooh, a maze. Wow, candy! Talk about a secret stash. Let's hide these treats throughout the maze. Oh, guess Maruna is the guest of honor. Feel the burn, but don't forget to treat yourself. Oh, she saved the treats for everyone. Besides, we know what prize she really wants. The early bird gets the worm. And I guess the early worm gets the snacks. Hey, why don't you save some for the rest of us?